I'm Peter. This morning I woke up and heard the sound of rain. Drip, drop, drip, drop. It was so loud on the window. The sky was gray, and the garden looked wet and shiny. I wanted to play outside, but Mommy said, "It's better to stay inside today." After breakfast, I took my big puzzle box. It has 100 pieces. I sat on the carpet and tried to match the pieces. At first, it was hard. Some pieces didn't fit, and I felt a little grumpy, but I kept trying. Finally, I made a picture of a farm with cows, a red barn, and a tractor. I shouted, "I did it!" Then I climbed onto the couch with my dinosaur book. I love that book because it has big pictures and funny facts. I pretended to be a dinosaur. Roar! I stomped my feet on the floor like a T-Rex. Mommy laughed and said, "Careful, little dinosaur, don't break the house." Next, I took my crayons and a big coloring book. I colored a smiling sun, even though the real sun was hiding. I also drew a rainbow with red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. I told Daddy, "Look, even on a rainy day, I can make sunshine inside." Daddy gave me a high five. I wanted more fun, so I grabbed some pillows and blankets. I built a fort in the living room. It was my secret rainy day house. I brought my toy bear inside and read him a story. The rain outside made soft sounds, and inside my fort felt cozy and safe. In the afternoon, Mommy asked, "Do you want to bake cookies with us?" I shouted, "Yes, yes." We put flour, sugar, butter, and eggs in a big bowl. I mixed everything with a spoon. It was so sticky. Then Daddy let me drop chocolate chips into the dough. My hands got messy, but it was so much fun. While the cookies baked, the smell filled the kitchen. It was sweet and warm, like magic. While we waited, we watched a funny cartoon. A silly puppy kept slipping on a banana peel, and I laughed so hard my tummy hurt. Ding! The oven beeped. The cookies were ready. They were golden brown and soft. Mommy gave me one, and I ate it with a big glass of milk. So yummy, I said with my mouth full. Daddy smiled and said, "Rainy days make the best cookies." Later, we all sat together with a blanket and watched a cartoon movie. I sat in the middle, with Mommy on one side and Daddy on the other. The rain outside made pitter-patter sounds, but inside we were warm, laughing, and happy. When it was almost bedtime, the rain was still falling. I looked out the window and saw the street lights shining on the wet road. It was beautiful, like tiny stars on the ground. I thought, even rainy days can be fun. I brushed my teeth, hugged my bear, and snuggled into bed. That was my rainy day at home. And guess what? It was one of the best days ever.